I received these mini resin vase fridge magnets as a gift, and they are honestly some of the cutest decorations I've ever put on my fridge. This set comes with 8 tiny 3D vases, each with little flowers already arranged inside. I absolutely love that detail because during the winter months when my kids can't pick real flowers for me, I still get to have pretty flowers on my fridge every day. When I opened the box, one of the magnets had come detached from the back of the vase, but it wasn't a big deal at all. I just used a drop of super glue and it went right back on with no issue. Once it was fixed, it held perfectly. The resin vases themselves are adorable. They look like little tiny glass jars, and the flowers add such a sweet pop of color. These work great on refrigerators, office lockers, or magnetic boards, and they have a nice strong hold once they're in place. Overall, these mini vase magnets are cute, simple, and charming. They were such a thoughtful gift, and they make my fridge feel a lot brighter every time I walk by.